And what is the difference between midpoint theorem and mid segment theorem? Both are theorem, and most of the students, they make a mistake while writing what is midpoint theorem and what is mid segment theorem, right? When you talk about, there are three different kind of theorem, where one theorem, another will be the converse of theorem. So example A, B, C. Take, if there is any point, midpoint here, let the midpoint be P, right? Draw a line. If the line cross and it is parallel to the third line, if it is parallel to the third line, it cross this point and at the mid. So if it is a midpoint here, cross from this parallel to the third point, will cross this line at the midpoint, this PQ. This is midpoint theorem. This is, and then if you are adding it, that this is parallel and it becomes half of it. It's mid segment theorem. So there are two theorems here. One is, if it is a midpoint, if it is parallel to the third side, passes this line at the midpoint. Converse theorem of it says that if these two are the midpoint, then it is parallel to the third side. Midpoint says this is the midpoint, parallel to the third side, cross this point at midpoint. Converse says that if these two are midpoint, then it is parallel to the third side. Mid-segment theorem says that if all this happens, then PQ is parallel to BC and half of BC. This is mid-segment theorem. Am I clear?